So how do you change the color of event in a Google Calendar? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you can open up your Google Calendar app and you can either click on the plus button to start a new event or tap on an existing one, whatever. But the point is that you can change and customize the title and all of the different things. But in the bottom, when you scroll down, you're likely going to see the default color, which is editable, right? So your calendar is going to have like a default color, which will be used all the time unless you change it, but you can tap on it and change it to something else. Not like that many options to pick from, but plenty of different colors to color code your event, right? So you can see we can pick from all of the different colors on the palette and it will apply to only one event, right? So that's how it works in the Google Calendar. Like, of course, a lot of people use also the Apple Calendar where it kind of works similarly, but you cannot change the color of one event only. You can only change it of one calendar, right? So in the Apple Calendar app, you can see how many calendars I'm subscribing to. So for example, it's like the birthday, home, work, whatever, but those can be changed in terms of the color. And every single event within one calendar will have one particular color. So that is the difference between Apple One and Google Calendar. So that's something that I just kind of wanted to mention as well. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you managed to find what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. And I'll talk to you soon.